foot on the gas. One direction, me heading to the top. Can't hold me down, Father God set the track. Get a use, no make the pagan set the trap. For the area, me not take me foot off the gas. Press me and press for the area. Me not take me foot off the gas. Press me and press. Mind for me money for me mind. Kids are feet, everything no stay fine. For the area, me not take me foot off the gas. Press me and press.
What's up, Too Flashy family? It's your girl Patra.
And you know it's your boy Stingah Tee. Too Flashy. And we have guest star with us, Young Man.
Too Flashy.
He come in belly, him really wants some food.
Today we're doing a mukbang and we're eating a bunch of seafood.
Alright, let me see now.
We got crawfish.
Whoa. We got
shrimp. We got crab legs. Oh, we got 3 different kinds. We got king crab legs. We got lobster tail.
We got snow crab legs.
We got snow crab legs, and we have golden crabs on the bottom.
And we have potatoes. We have corn.
And we got our sauce over here.
We have buttery sauce.
And I have some lemon. I got my water.
Got my lemonade. All right.
And it's about to go down, y'all. What are we gonna be talking about today, baby?
Well, the topic of the day is how we met. I remember it like it was yesterday.
It was yesterday.
Eat while we talk.
That's what, yeah. So for those who don't know what a mukbang is,
Yes.
mukbang,
Whatever we want.
however you say it, it's the eating show. So yeah, we eat while we talk. It's not ready, set, go. It's not a race.
You can start. You see his hand like, he's like this.
Yo, Corey's like.
Guys, leave a 2 cents in the comments. If y'all caught him and saw what he was doing, he was like,
Phew. He was ready.
cool, wait to dive in.
Start with it. I can't wait to dive in. I'm gonna start with this.
I'm gonna start with this here. This one, I've been watching this from evening.
Oh.
Bruh.
Oh my God. Open this up.
Look at this here. Look at this.
Ow. Jeez.
Like this.
I think I started with the most difficult thing.
Baby, this thing tastes good.
Yeah. So, sauce.
And guys, when you're doing these type of stuff, you don't use spoon or fork. Use
Well,
your hand.
sometimes.
You dive in it. Dive right in it. Use your hand. We're eating seafood.
Got me a nice piece of lobster.
Whoa, look at this. Something nice. Sipping in butter.
Lemon on here. Squeeze a little bit of lemon on here.
I know you like lemon.
So, how do we meet, baby?
Okay. Let's start off here. It was December 4th, 2011. It was a stressful night for me. Not gonna lie. I called on this man on phone like crazy. Trying to get out the house. And went to tropics.
Pause.
Where were you that night, baby?
I was home. My girlfriend Lloydie
Thank you, Lordy. I'll tell y'all why I said that.
was with me. A couple other people were supposed to be there, but they weren't. So, Lloydie and I decided that, what the heck? We're both still here, up. Might as well we get ready and go out.
The moment you said, oh, you change your mind, you ain't gonna go.
No, you don't need a whole bunch of people to party. And that was our thing. We didn't need a whole bunch of people to party.
Well, I said thank you, Lloydie, because I think she kind of forced you to come out.
She didn't force me.
Nobody automatic to be the driver of that night.
You weren't there.
Driver. No, you weren't. You weren't the driver. So guess what, guys?
Not that night.
It wasn't that night. You partied with me 6 nights in a row. And the 7th night you didn't come out. You know who I went with?
Who?
Me and Romy. Roach. Yeah, so Roach, I get credit. He's the one. I went to Tropics. I had nothing to do. It was raining. I said, I'm gonna go home. He's like, nah, man, let's go to Gabby's. Yep, remember Gabby's, baby? Right there in Pines. Pines and what? Hiatus? Yeah, right in the corner of Pines and Hiatus. The Jamaican spot. Universal. All type of people go to Gabby's. Americans, Jamaicans, Trinis, Haitians.
It was reggae night.
Sunday night was always reggae night.
But yeah, so all my girlfriends didn't show up. But Lloydie and I think maybe everybody had kids. Everybody was either had a man.
Lockdown.
Lloydie and I were still single. I think Lloydie had just met her husband, so it was still brand new for her. Or maybe she didn't meet him yet. I don't remember.
I'm not for sure.
You're right. You're right.
So much seafood, I don't know what to eat.
This corn is bomb.
Yeah, the corn tastes good. Yeah, so Lloyd and her. That came out right, babe?
Yeah. We got sexified.
Make sure I'm not throwing my thing away. Sorry, baby.
I don't want this one. I want the other one.
I feel the pepper now, baby.
Me too.
Woo!
Oh, you know what? I want one of these. But yeah, so yeah, Lloydie and I decided to go out even though nobody else showed up. So we're cool. We got dressed, went out. And you said you went from Tropics?
Two girls were supposed to meet me out there. I was single. So, you know. That was a night to remember, baby. It's weird how we met. Yeah, I got the club. What y'all was doing?
We were chilling.
You were looking mighty fine, girl. I didn't know you then. But I seen you. I saw her earlier. So I'm paying no attention, you know?
We were just vibing. Walking around. Trying to avoid people who we didn't want to talk to.
Thirsty dudes.
Yeah.
In other words.
They were thirsty.
So you got turned on like 10 people, man.
I don't know, I wasn't counting that.
Saw that bandy leg. Saw that bow leg.
I know that right before you walked up to me, two other dudes, they didn't try to holler at me. They were like, one was, I was dancing and somebody came behind me, started dancing. I wasn't in the mood. I was like, no. Like literally. Looked at him. No.
Give me some napkins, baby, please. Oh, I'm feeling this already. What? I love when seafood is spicy. So go ahead, I'm listening.
So yeah. I literally looked at homeboy and was like, no, I'm gonna dance.
Not interested. You gotta be turning his ass down.
Well, he didn't even say nothing to me. He just wanted to dance. Men out there, single men, if you're trying to find a lady in the club, don't just walk up on her.
Yeah, introduce yourself. That's
Start
nice.
bumping and grinding. She don't know you. That's not nice.
Act like me. That is, I wanted to dance with you. I never came over asking for you.
It's not about asking. The other one asked and I still said no. I don't know. Maybe I was aggravated from the first one.
Y'all pissed you off.
The one who walked up on me.
The next guy in line. Yeah, try it. A chance.
I didn't even look at him. It's just, I just didn't feel like it. At that point, everybody was in the same category.
Me on the other hand, I was on the other side of you, in the corner. Some girl came, she met me there. The other one met me there. There's two of them. Like I told you guys, I was stressed out at the moment.
They came together?
Real stress.
What you mean real stress? Why you say that?
Pee and stress.
My ex-wife left me. Yeah, I was stressed out. I just came out of a relationship, you know. Yeah, I know how that is, especially when it's fresh and love and all that stuff. But guess what? When God have something better for you, you know? There you go like that.
Oh
Those
man,
are something.
this stuff is flat, going everywhere.
Hey, I don't mind. My shirt got a little shrimp stain on it, but
Come on, just try shrimp.
yeah. So me and the girls, we were vibing for a little bit.
Where were you?
Opposite of you, right across the hall from me, the dance floor.
I can't see far, so he was too far.
I saw you, you didn't see me.
Yeah.
Now that I know you can't see far, you didn't see me. I was in the cut, and it was packed in there. And two of my other homeboys were there too. Marlon and come on. My brothers from childhood days, you know? So me and Romy decided that we're about to leave. Right before we leave, something caught my eye. And guess what? Guys, leave a 2 cents in the comment and tell me who you think caught my eye.
Bro, tabaco.
This is Pearce here, man. I ain't see her face, I saw her back.
Ooh.
Stand up. You ever see them girls in the club, how they stand up like this, their legs like this?
Why gotta be a girl in the club?
But it wasn't you. Yours was real.
Guys.
Oh, baby, you want to give that to me? Look at that. Watch it.
Look at this.
Wasn't supposed to touch that?
Look at
That's the lobster.
That's my specialty, Dre. You got one. You got look bandit, bro. At least me share one with you. Yeah, I'm over here. Yeah, so I saw them legs, so I had to stop.
This is the bomb.
So my cousin Romy was like, no, bro, let's go, man. I'm ready. I'm like, get ready? All right, I'm gonna go leave. Right when I'm leaving, turn around, I saw them legs. I was like, Roach, look there. Look at 16 man.
You said look there.
That's what I said to him. He said, dog, just come on, man. So my son come. Boy, threw on his shades. I had a little hoodie on that night.
He had way too much on his head.
Way too much?
Way too much.
I was like, you know what? Told myself, I had to get up.
He had on a hat, a hoodie, and shades. Nah.
So I went over. Did you run me away like that again?
Well, y'all know I was in a stink attitude mood already. The
Boy, approached her like a G, you feel me? Not
from
daddy.
the two most recent people who approached me.
Not daddy. Boy, approached you like a G. Tell him. I love the story. And they shame me for a little bit though.
Right, wow.
Well, it pepper it?
Story, Madison.
Yeah, man. It wasn't that bad, but
Wait, what happened? Did you walk up to me and say hi first?
yeah, I introduced myself. I put my hand out, stretched my hand. Hi, my name.
Oh yeah, that's right. So he walked up to me, told me, hi, my name is Stingah Tee, the artist. I'm a single father.
Stingah Tee from where?
No, he said all this stuff. Because I'm Stingah Tee, the artist. I'm a single father with 2 kids.
Stressed out.
I want to get to know you. I looked at him and I was like,
And on my shades, like, baby, what did you tell me?
I looked at him. I was like, I can't even see your face.
Take your glasses off your face. And this
I
is
said, I can't see your eyes. I can't see nothing. You
when she
got all
said
the
she
stuff
can't.
on.
When she said she can't see my eyes, I took off my shades like this. So I'm blinking my eyes right in her
He
face.
sure did.
And that caught her attention. She smiled a little, you know.
I was like, okay.
I still wasn't the one, but you know, this is what got me in. You feel me?
Yep. And then he asked me for my number so we can get to know each other. See, he didn't just want to dance.
What happened after that, baby? Got the number.
No, so he went to his phone to take my number.
Yep.
And then he showed me his 2 kids, his 2 beautiful kids.
Yep. Terrell.
Mula and Terrell.
Yep. Mula and Terrell. They were about 2 years old and 4 years old. Bobby was 4. Mula was 2. I think it looks like it's tired. I try. Okay, put on some hard. Look at that lip.
Hard work. Mate put on hard work.
So yeah, I introduced myself, showed her my kids in the phone, she gave me the number. Man, I was so excited. I couldn't wait to call this girl. See what she about.
Yeah.
I'm always a family man, so you know.
After I gave him my number, he went on his merry way.
Well, yes, I did. You can't call. I can't call that quick. You feel me? Got a little bit. Wait a little bit. Huh?
Thank God he didn't try to call me the same night.
Yeah, because I probably wouldn't have got her. Real talk. So guys, you meet a girl, and she get the number.
Let me go to bed and sleep my drunkenness off and wake up.
Let her sleep. Give her a day or 2. 6 weeks.
6 weeks?
Yeah.
Yeah, by the time you call, she got a man.
No, my chick. No, my chick. I'm going with 6 weeks.
Or number change.
I call her here, somebody answer the phone. Yeah, so what happened was, a week passed and I was working, a little busy. She was working as well, busy. So a week passed.
I was also going to school.
So 1 week passed me, I go through my phone. And I said, oh, the brownie from Gabby's. You know, we Jamaican, like, you're a light-skinned girl, we call them brownie, you feel me? So I said, wait, the brownie from Gabby's. What's your name again? Just go to your phone and try to find her name. Her name was Patra, I was like, found her name. God, I was like, oh, go on, baby. You know, put on that Mac. What I said to you, baby?
I don't remember.
Mac Daddy, let me tell him what happened. Call her, I was like, what, go on, baby? We are David. I Jenna this, you know.
First of all,
Yeah, this is Jenna.
the wiggle, rewind. That is not how he came on my phone.
Talk him on the phone. I can't like a gentleman, right? I was a gentleman.
Yeah, he was nicer than he is now.
I was super nice that day.
You don't want that.
Yeah, don't. Then so after I'm done, so with you take out a year one.
What you doing with the lobster?
Don't worry. I have a plan for this. Save this for last. So you come out and show I'm sitting down waiting. You have 2 of them then I find.
I have 2 left? I have 1 left.
You ate one already? Oh, that's good. Yeah, guys, so what happened was, baby, how I was on the phone? Tell them.
It was smooth.
Gave you tingling feeling?
No.
I did.
Nah.
Not yet, right?
No.
Not yet. Didn't bust the bubble yet. Not yet.
What bubble?
You know, you get that tingling feeling, somebody make you feel so. You know? loved, you know, you know. So what happened was, we talked to her. I asked her what time she getting off work, you know. She said 8 o'clock. I was alright, I got a date tonight, baby.
And I said no.
Never tell what that part there.
I was going to school and working. You can't call me and tell me you have a date. We have a date tonight. I don't even know you.
Yeah. But guys, it's a learning experience, you feel me?
Nevertheless, I accepted his date for
Another day.
the next week. He didn't just hang up and say, "All right, then." He's like, "What about next Friday?"
I'm making plans. I'm busy tonight, alright? When you free? No, I know. So I'm free on this night. I was like, alright. Pick you up at 8.